Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to install the custom recovery and the root in Xiaomi device, specifically in Redmi 5 Plus or fins of the product name. Before we continue the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. Well, before we start to modify our device, we have to activate the developer option by tapping about phone and tap MIUI version 7 times as fast as possible. But if you have finished this step, you can skip this one. After that, open the developer option and make sure that the USB debugging has been activated and unlock. And the most important thing is don't forget to unlock bootloader of your device. This is very crucial thing, because if not, your device cannot be modified. Well, to install custom recovery and routing or modify the device, of course we have or we need several files like custom recovery and magisk manager files and minimal ADB fastboot driver to install to your computer or laptop. And now I'm going to move or copy custom recovery and magisk manager to my device. Because after installing a custom recovery, we are going to flash these two files, magisk manager and custom recovery in a zip format. Okay, after that, now extract the custom recovery files, so you will be having one folder like here. Then you have to install the minimal ADB fastboot. You can extract it. You can extract like here, like this, and open the extracting folder. You can right click on the driver and then click open to install this driver. But if you have already done it, you can skip this step. Then click on next. Well, after that, now we need to move or copy the custom recovery IMG files you can copy or move to minimal adb fastboot folder. You can go to program files in disk C and you can paste here. Well, after you finish all of the steps, right click anywhere inside of this folder like this. Press shift button in your keyboard, press and hold, then right click to open the minimal adb fastboot or CMD in your computer. I have already opened it, so I have two windows here. Then I'm going to close another one. Well, in this window you can type the command adb devices, adb space devices, and then press enter in your keyboard button to make sure that your device already connected in your computer, and then type adb reboot bootloader, then press enter to enter the fastboot mode. Okay, like this. Now we have entered the fastboot mode already. In the next step, you can type fastboot space devices and then enter. Okay, our device is still connected. And the next important step is typing fastboot space flash space recovery, then followed by based on your custom recovery file's name. As you can see in the screen, fastboot flash recovery.img. Then press enter. So and now installing custom recovery has been finished. You can see here. So automatically your custom recovery is installed already on your device. Now press volume up and the power button at the same time, hold at the same time, long press like this. And now you can release these two buttons. Okay, this device is already entering the custom recovery mode. Okay, in this video I'm using Orange Fox custom recovery. And the next step, press install, then choose the custom recovery zip files, and then swipe to the right to starting the flashing. In a few seconds your device will reboot to custom recovery at the second time. And after that we are going to root this device by flashing the magisk installer. Tap install. You can reboot your device if you don't want to root your device, but in this case, in this time, I'm going to root the device. Okay, as usual, swipe to the right to starting the to root your device. Well, it looks like to be done. Now you can reboot system. And this booting process takes several minutes. So you have to be patient. Okay, it looks like to be done. Now we have magisk manager like this. It means that your device is already rooted or successfully rooted. Well, I think that's it for today's video. Hope will be useful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.